this video, we're gonna go ahead and cover the top 5 money-making apps that paid free PayPal money in 2018.
Basically give you guys tips and tricks to make money online. And in this video, we're simply gonna go ahead and cover my top 5 picks if you guys wanna learn how to earn extra cash, free PayPal money, right? If you have no type of money in your bank account and you have a little bit of free time, I'm simply gonna go ahead and show you guys some apps that you guys can actually start leveraging to start making an extra income online. And first and foremost, if you haven't already, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, so that way you guys can get notified every time I drop a new fire video with new money and making online tips and tricks, right? So let's get right into it. Now let's step behind the laptop. Now the first app that we're gonna go over is called Apps Trailers, right? Now if you look down below, basically you can do the Apple Store or Google Play, and what's pretty cool about this app is that you simply just watch videos, and yeah, the more videos you watch, they're going to be displaying ads trying to advertise, but you don't have to buy. And the more points that you do generate, you're actually going to be able to cash out your prizes for free PayPal money or even Amazon gift cards. So depending on which route you want to go. Which comes on my list as number 4, right? So that's number 5. Number 4 is an app called Checkpoints, right? And with Checkpoints, you simply earn 2 types of ways. The first one is with shopping, right? You earn while you're shopping. And then the second way that you guys earn is simply by paid surveys, watching videos. There's different ways that you guys can actually earn free money, free PayPal money. And what they do is they actually pay out pretty well. And you guys can just use your little extra time to generate an income with Checkpoints, right? Number 3 is Rewardable, right? Now, do you like playing games? I do, right? With Rewardable, there's different games that you guys can play to win big. And Simply Paid, they pay free PayPal money. Amazon as well. It's an app that you guys can go ahead and download. And this one does pretty well as far as earning income. I would definitely go ahead and look into that one as well. But I'm giving you guys a variety of choices so that way you guys can see which route you guys kind of want to go. And that's number 3 on the list. Number 2 would be not one single app, but it's actually going to be a variety of apps. And it's called Perk, right? Perk apps. If you go to perk.com, you guys can literally create an account. They have Google and iOS apps that you guys can leverage to actually make money online, right? But there's different things that you guys can do. There's literally things like you can do word searches, you can do watching videos. It all depends on which route you want to go when it comes to Perk. So go ahead and actually make an account, figure out the different apps that they do have with Perk, and figure out which one is best for you. And the last but not least, number 1 on the list is called Lotto, right? Basically, you make money every day. Simply go ahead and you get paid. If you look down below, right, you earn money with PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Join over 250,000 members earning money every day. And all you have to do is simply complete tasks or offers from our advertising partners. So you literally just complete the task. When you guys complete the test, you guys can go ahead and start earning money because those points you guys are going to be able to cash out, right? And I do actually have a special bonus for you. Now this is kind of like the simple money if you guys have a little extra time. But if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm actually a digital marketer, and I do something called affiliate marketing, which is very easy to where you can make free PayPal money whether you have money or you have no money. You can do something called affiliate marketing where you literally join, promote, and you earn, right? You join one of these companies, most of the work is actually done for you, and what's going to happen is you simply just promote it with YouTube videos, social media, or anything of that nature. But what's pretty cool is what I'm actually promoting, they actually teach you how to promote it, right? So you're learning and you're earning at the same time, right? That would be my highest recommendation when it comes to actually making money online. That will actually be the first link in the description. You'll be able to join, promote, and earn, right? And that has allowed me to literally, I'm currently in Bali, Indonesia. I've traveled multiple countries this year so far, and I make thousands of dollars per week. I'll go ahead and actually show you guys a screenshot really quick. So that's the real type of money if you guys wanted to get into real money online. It's called affiliate marketing. But whatever floats your boat. If that's something that you guys want to look into, first link in the description. You literally see the link. You'll get access to my free book and access to a free video that'll literally teach you guys how you guys can make a load of money. With that being said, guys, give me a good thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions as far as apps that's working for you, comment down below. And with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Subscribe, share, like, do all that good jazz, and I will see you guys on the next video. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.